In this video, you'll learn how to enable and add passkeys in the Binance app. By following these steps, you will enhance your account security with ease and convenience. To begin, ensure that your Binance app is updated to the latest version. Once confirmed, proceed to log into your account. After logging in, locate the Account Center option, which is typically found in the app's main menu. Tap on Account Center to access various account settings. From there, navigate to the security section. Within this section, look for the option labeled Passkeys, or sometimes referred to as Passkeys/biometrics. Tap on Passkeys to open the dedicated Passkey management page. If this option does not appear, it may indicate that your current app version or operating system does not support passkeys. Remain on the Passkeys page to start the process of adding a new passkey. Next, tap on Add Passkey to initiate the process of creating a new passkey. You will be presented with various device methods to choose from, such as using your phone's screen lock or biometric features, iCloud keychain if you are on iOS, or a compatible security key. Select the method that suits you best. After making your selection, follow the system prompts to confirm your identity using Face ID, Touch ID, fingerprint, or your PIN as required. Once you confirm your identity, a pop-up will appear from your operating system requesting your approval for the creation of the passkey. Upon successful completion of this step, Binance will indicate that the passkey has been successfully added to your list. After adding your passkey, it is essential to confirm that it works properly. To do this, log out of your Binance account completely. Once logged out, attempt to log back in using the passkey you just created. Alternatively, you can trigger a security verification process where the passkey option will be. Select passkey when prompted and follow the instructions to approve the login. If you are using a desktop computer, Binance may display a QR code during this process. So to complete the login, scan this QR code using the Binance app installed on the device that contains your passkey. Once the verification process is completed successfully, ensure that the passkey remains enabled. There are no additional steps required at this point. You have now set up your passkey and you can log in securely without the need for traditional passwords. Keep in mind that utilizing passkeys can greatly enhance your account security while also streamlining the login process. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.